Dear students, today we can demonstrate rate of transpiration by Ganong spotometer. What is transpiration? Transpiration, it is an evaporative loss of water from the aerial parts of the plant. Transpiration is taking place through minute openings called a stomata. Here we can compare the rate of transpiration by Ganong spotometer. This is the Ganong spotometer, and this Ganong spotometer has a graduated horizontal tube, and its one end is turned upward, that is broad. This is the broad upward end, and its other end bend downward, and that is the narrow end. And in between there is a reservoir is connected to the horizontal graduated tube, and there is a stopcock maintain the level of the water from the reservoir to the horizontal tube. Next, we have to fill the water in this apparatus. Open the stopcock, gently pour water to the reservoir. So the apparatus is filled with water. Then take a leafy stick, cut it obliquely with the help of the blade. Oblique cutting favors the more absorption of the water. Then it is inserted through a one-holed cord and place it in the wide mouth of the graduated tube. Then slowly raise the bend tube and introduce an air bubble in this graduated tube. Now the air bubble is placed in the graduated tube. Graduated tube is immersed in a beaker containing water. Now note the level of the air bubble in the graduated tube and keep the apparatus in bright light. When we keep the apparatus in bright light, now keep the apparatus in bright light. As transpiration taking place, the stick absorb water from this vessel so that air bubbles can move along this graduated tube. Then keep the apparatus in dim light. Compare the rate of transpiration in bright light and dim light. Rate of transpiration can be calculated. The distance travelled by the air bubble and the time taken for this movement we can calculate the rate of transpiration. So when we calculate, we will find out that rate of transpiration is more in bright light than the dim light. And this number of factors are also controlling this rate of transpiration. Bright light, high temperature, wind, etc. encourage the transpiration. Humid atmosphere, dim light, that discourage transpiration.